Hello, fellow founder. Today in 90 seconds, I want to explain something that makes Google Anti-Gravity so powerful. It's called MCP. Anti-Gravity can already watch your screen, build feature, debug, but it cannot reach outside of your project. So, and what is MCP? MCP means Model Context Protocol, a system that gives AI-controlled access to external resources through MCP server. For instance, the Supabase MCP server lets anti-gravity list tables, run SQL, and manage functions. With it installed, you can say, read my blog table and build the UI. And anti-gravity will call the Supabase tools directly. So first, create a project, then go to your account settings over here, account preference, click access tokens and generate new token. Then come back to anti-gravity, top right corner, MCP servers. In my case, it's going to be Supabase. Supabase. Okay, click install and pay the token you just got. Then click save. Once everything is all set, you'll see this beautiful screen saying what is available and how you can use it. Now you create anything you wish in the Supabase. For instance, let's create users table. Create user table in Supabase. Okay, you can see it's using MCP tool, Supabase MCP server. That's it, you're perfect. If you still have any questions about MCP or any vibe coding tools, please follow in the Telegram channel and I'll be glad to answer your questions for free. Thank you, see you there, bye.